In this quick video, I will show you how to mute the sound in Kia Sportage. The good thing is, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to mute the volume. Take a look at this handy volume control lever right here on the steering wheel. It's your ticket to audio silence with just a flip of the finger. To mute the volume, simply give that lever a gentle press. No need to fumble around with complicated controls or menus. And just like that, the sound is muted, allowing you to enjoy some peace and quiet whenever you need it. Whether you're taking a call, needing a moment of silence, or just want to enjoy the serenity of the drive, muting the sound in Kia Sportage is a breeze. So there you have it, folks, the quick and easy way to mute the sound in your Kia Sportage. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Whois Joint for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time.